Welcome, folks. Ready to unlock wealth with feathered friends? Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a complete novice, the world of poultry farming offers endless opportunities. Imagine waking up each morning to the gentle clucks of your chickens, knowing that each day brings you closer to financial freedom. Poultry farming, it's simple, rewarding, and tastier than a plate of fried chicken, though maybe not as immediately satisfying. Freshly laid eggs are not just a breakfast delight, they are a symbol of your hard work and dedication. Each egg collected is a step towards a sustainable and profitable venture. We'll turn your backyard into a booming business. With a little bit of effort and the right guidance, you can transform any space into a productive poultry farm. From setting up the perfect coop to ensuring your chickens are healthy and happy, we've got you covered. Forget Wall Street, forget fancy degrees. You don't need a background in finance or a high-flying career to succeed in poultry farming. All you need is passion, perseverance, and a willingness to learn. The rewards are not just financial, but also deeply fulfilling. With grit and some chicken feed, anyone can raise a flock and rake in the profits. It's about understanding the needs of your chickens and providing them with the best care. The more you invest in their well-being, the more they will reward you with eggs and meat. Ever held a fluffy chick? That's the feeling of pure potential, my friends. Each chick represents a future filled with possibilities. Watching them grow and thrive under your care is one of the most rewarding experiences you can have. Join me on this journey. Let's turn chirps into cash and feathers into financial freedom. The sound of chickens clucking will soon be music to your ears as it translates into a steady stream of income. With the right strategies, you can maximize your profits and enjoy the fruits of your labor. And don't forget to subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire on YouTube for more down-to-earth wisdom. Our channel is packed with tips, tricks, and success stories from fellow poultry farmers. Now let's get clucking. Together, we'll build a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about poultry farming and eager to share their knowledge and experiences. First things first, let's talk chickens. You got layers for eggs, broilers for meat, or dual-purpose breeds for both. Research. Find the perfect fit for your farm and market. Next up, housing. Chickens need space, ventilation, and protection from predators. Think spacious coops, sturdy fences, and maybe even a watchful dog. Happy chickens lay healthy eggs. Now for the feed. Organic, non-GMO, locally sourced. Give your chickens the best and they'll reward you tenfold. And water, of course. Clean, fresh water is key to happy, healthy birds. Poultry farming ain't just good for the soul, it's good for the wallet too. Eggs and meat are always in demand. Sell locally at farmers markets or even online. Remember folks, this ain't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work, dedication, and a whole lot of love for our feathered friends. But the rewards? Worth every ounce of effort. Start small, scale gradually, reinvest your profits. Before you know it, you'll be swimming in eggs and drowning your sorrows in, well, not sorrows. You'll be too busy celebrating your success. Now, let's talk ethics. Factory farms? No sir, not our style. We treat our chickens right. Open pastures, fresh air, sunshine on their feathers, that's the Pamuka way. Sustainable practices benefit everyone. Healthy chickens, healthy food, healthy planet. It's common sense, folks. Plus, consumers are willing to pay a premium for ethically sourced products. Composting, rainwater harvesting, solar panels. There are countless ways to make your poultry farm an environmental champion. Remember, we're caretakers of this land. Let's leave it better than we found it. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't fret. That's where Pamuka Wealth Empire comes in. Our YouTube channel is packed with practical advice, step-by-step guides, and inspiring success stories. From choosing the right breed to marketing your farm-fresh products, we cover it all. We're here to hold your hand every step of the way, ensuring your poultry venture takes flight. Join our thriving community of like-minded individuals. Share your experiences, ask questions, and learn from seasoned poultry pros. Remember, folks, together, we're unstoppable. So what are you waiting for? The world is craving ethically sourced, farm-fresh poultry products. Your dream of financial freedom, fueled by clucking chickens, is within reach. Take that first step. Order those chicks. Build that coop. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or maybe a single cluck. Remember folks, the Pamuka Wealth Empire is here to guide you every step of the way. Let's unlock wealth one egg at a time. Now go on, get out there, and make me proud.